Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to pick back up with the cabinet installation of the job series that we started in our last video. If you haven't already, be sure to take a look. I will link it in the description below. Today we are going to complete this job, so be sure to stay tuned to the end to see the big reveal. Believe me, you're not going to want to miss it. Enjoy the video and thanks for watching. The cabinet installation has started. We installed Waypoint 410F maple linen to the perimeter cabinets. Another feature of this kitchen is we use different color perimeter and island cabinets. For the island, we used Waypoint 410F Cherry Autumn. The finishing touches are being put on this kitchen. The hardware we used was Richelieu 877900 matte black pools. The quartz Cambria countertops we installed was Swan Bridge with round over edges. For the backsplash, we installed 3x6 Dow tile Rittenhouse square in Arctic white for the field tile and added a feature area of American Olean Candora mini arabesque Vestal white mosaic at the range. And that concludes this remodel. We absolutely love this kitchen, as do the homeowners who love to entertain. We were able to maximize functionality for this young family. Let me know in the comments below what you guys think of this transformation. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more.